जय हिंद दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका मेंटर दास सर और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल स्पीक इंग्लिश विद दास सर, where we talk about spoken English and personality development. Today I am going to tell you the secrets of English. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, then if you have not subscribed my channel yet, immediately subscribe the channel and be in the video till the end. Today I am going to share some secrets, and if you practically implement in your life, your English will definitely improve. The first secret is be an action taker. You have to take action. Many a people, they only think about that I will speak in English, I will be fluent in English, but they don't take any action. And finally, eventually they think that they can't speak in English. But if you become an action taker, definitely very soon you will speak in English. Secret number 2, learn essential grammar only. For speaking in English, we don't need so much of grammar. Why? Because when we have learned our mother tongue or our national language, we did not learn the grammar. Without learning grammar, we speak in Hindi confidently. We speak our mother tongue very confidently. Since English is a foreign language, we have to learn some essential grammar. Grammar will help you to develop the language. It is very important. So learn essential grammar only. Secret number 3. Master the art of pronunciation. English is a very smart language. If your pronunciation is correct, your English will sound correct and you will find you are speaking good English. So my dear ladies and gentlemen, you have to practice the pronunciation techniques and you have to learn how to pronounce the different words. Many people, they pronounce the words incorrectly. It should not happen with you. You have to pronounce all the words properly. So master the art of pronunciation. If you be in this channel for a long time, I definitely teach you how to pronounce any word. Secret number 4 is practice makes a man perfect. My dear boys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, if you do not practice, I am really very sorry you can't speak in English. If you really want to speak in English, then there is no any other way to learn English. English can be developed while practicing only. English आप बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप English बोलिए. आप English को बोलकर सीख सकते हैं. For example, if you want to swim in the river, while learning technique only you can't swim in the river. To swim in the river, you have to get into the water and you have to practice for several times, for long time. Then only you can swim in the river. Similarly, if you want to speak in English, then you have to start speaking. And when you speak more and more, the confidence will come and you will be able to speak in English. अगर आप सही में इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप शुरू कीजिए, बोलना शुरू कीजिए. सोचने से आप इंग्लिश नहीं सीख सकते. Secret number 5 is build your self-confidence. My dear friends, you know that to speak in English, you must have confidence, and confidence you cannot buy from the marketplace. You have to develop it within. And if you are confident, then you can speak English confidently everywhere. For confidence, again, I am telling you repeatedly that you have to practice. Slowly and gradually, you will develop your confidence. Secret number 6. Learn to speak English politely. Many people, after learning few English sentences, few words, few techniques, they show off themselves that they are very good in English. No. You should not do it. Always try to speak English politely so that the people should listen you carefully, and whenever you make mistake, they feel happy to correct you. So when you are down to earth, it will help you to improve your English. You can improve your English, and for that you have to speak English politely. Before I tell you that the next secret, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that I can help you. Secret number 7, improve your vocabulary. My dear friends, to speak in English, you have to focus on the vocabulary. Collect vocabulary, collect words and practice it in your day-to-day life. Practically, you have to implement those new words which you learn. So, to get the new vocabulary, you have to read the content, you have to listen the videos, you have to listen the audios. So many mediums are there because today we are living in a technical age. Okay? So everywhere everything is available, you have to grab it and you can develop your vocabulary very shortly. But one thing you have to remember, you have to be consistent collecting vocabulary and practicing it. Day to day, you have to practice new words in your life so that the language will be developed in your mind. At the end, I want to give you a bonus tips. Surround yourself with the right people and in the right learning environment. You know that environment impacts our mind, and with the help of environment we can develop ourselves quickly. So we are talking about English, and you have to surround yourself with the people who are speaking in English. Surround yourself with the right people and right learning attitude. And this could be one platform where you can improve your English because we provide learning environment. Every time we talk about English and personality development, basically we talk about the life skill training. If you are interested, again I'm telling you, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all my videos notification on time and you can listen and improve yourself. Wish you all the best. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.